What do we got going? Oh, look,
That feels close. I mean, slide it back. Just
this looks like this.
Yes,
That looks like a
because
transmission tunnel piece that you got in your left hand.
this like
That's kind of what I'm thinking as well.
fits
but
here,
What about-
kind
back
of.
a little bit further.
It's
Bobby.
all trim.
Yeah, I'm
What about like a
working on it,
top-
but we don't want to go too
Probably
far.
on the top.
Right.
See how this goes up?
Oh, look at that,
Which one?
Scotty.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay.
that
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
that lives
looks-
there.
yeah. One down.
Okay, well, we've got one.
Well,
less.
the only problem is with that being there.
Yeah, we got overlap and throttle
You don't need
issues.
a throttle. It's just Fiat.
Fix it again, Tony.
This goes underneath this.
But then what's the transmission tunnel piece? Do you think that like overlaps the, and then it goes?
I would
underneath
be.
Those?
I would. It freaks me out that they overlap. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't
seem-
make
like, For all this
sense.
careful cutting, it seems kind of
Kind of
Yeah.
wasteful and kind of mad.
ham-handed is my favorite word. For that.
Ham-handed.
Good word.
Ham-handed.
Yeah. Fearless.
Like that kind of fits okay.
Well, I'll tell you what, this isn't quite the puzzle we thought it was going to
Tell you what.
Tell you what.
Tell you what.
Tell you what it has said was for sure.
So have you had a revelation?
Yeah. Pull that.
There we go.
Because these are in the wrong spot. What do you mean?
Did you get it backwards? Well, this one has the foot.
No, that one's got the foot pad. Follow your trim here. Follow your trim here. Yeah, but that's got the foot pad and
With the
holes
foot
for
pad.
the pedals.
That one's got to stay there, Scotty.
Maybe it's British.
It's backwards. You're supposed to flip it.
Turn it upside down.
Yeah.
And make sure it's crooked. Like they're
Turn it that way. Yeah, try that. Aha! There we go. Oh, girl. Now we're cooking with Crisco, or is it fisting with Crisco?
Peanut oil.
You do you, boy.
We
You do
cook
you.
with peanut oil.
It's like that
No,
shirt
what
I
if someone's allergic to peanuts? I mean peanuts.
Well, that's their problem.
Not my issue.
Oh my god.
Did you miss us?
I absolutely.
See?
Of course you do.
I wonder if that's the transmission tunnel, because something big has got to flop up on top there. But you need.
What? What in the hell did you just say?
It's gotta be more square.
It's the drive shaft.
Yeah, that old thing.
And the reason why it's so small is because the exhaust doesn't go through there like it does on newer cars.
Nope.
It goes around probably out here.
Out yonder. And then we got this little guy back here. Look at this. Yeah, and it's bound all the way around.
Because it'll connect with all this other
Oh,
around
my.
here.
Unless that.
But then what's
This is a.
so what flops on? I mean, what's this thing? Because this.
This is all
Yeah, we don't have a thing with
not
white
making
hole.
no damn sense.
Maybe that goes on the trim.
That looks like
On
it
the
would
tunnel.
go for one side of the tunnel, right?
Yeah,
But
but
then
what
it's
that,
too big.
But
where that
that's
circle is.
yeah. What's with that? That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't seem
Where did this carpet kit come from?
Some Fiat place.
China.
I think I know you, but I maybe won't.
Oh my God, Andre, God,
What? I warned you. I'm
So
terribly inappropriate.
bad, hilariously so bad.
PC happening over here.
Absolutely not. We are out of control over here today. Out of control.
That's
Unless that goes
that's the glory hole.
back here somewhere.
Yeah, but why? It's completely.
Yeah, that's going to be
cockeyed.
covered with the Vinci thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they wouldn't-
that's-
They wouldn't put carpet there, but this thing is completely.
No, but
It
you
would-
put
But that
carpet.
would
Go with this going.
Yeah,
The
it's
carpet goes on the.
This
No,
one-
that's gonna go out the bottom though, because that's for the gas tank.
not quite.
What are you, Abe Lincoln?
4 whores and 7 poppers ago.
Oh my God.
But I mean, this thing's not even symmetrical. Look at it.
Yeah, is that? Like,
Yeah, what
So that
what
means
looks like
it's meant for.
what
an
looks
extra piece?
yeah, but what looks like that with that
What
curve?
looks like a Batman, you know?
Is that an
Like you see the curve?
My balls with light flashing behind them.
That's the bat wing, dude. Oh my God.
I have issues.
Unless that goes on the spare tire thing.
It kind of looks like it might, but
But there's
Yeah, but that's what
It's
this.
way too small.
But there's a piece over there for the
Yeah.
Okay,
thing.
so let's put the pieces in place that we know fit. You got a large piece that covers the back, right?
This.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay, so let's do
All right, Scotty's gonna brain.